JavaScript error handling is about to get a major upgrade. The new ECMAScript safe assignment operator proposal, the =sign operator, is here to streamline your code by reducing the need for traditional try-catch blocks. Let's explore how this proposal can simplify your error management and make your JavaScript code cleaner and more efficient. No more nested try-catch. The problem with traditional try-catch blocks is that they often lead to deeply nested code, making it harder to read and maintain. The solution? The =sign operator. It reduces nesting by transforming the result of a function into a tuple. If an error occurs, it returns error null. Otherwise, it returns null result. Cleaner, more linear code. The problem with try-catch blocks is that they can clutter code and disrupt the flow of logic. The solution? The =sign operator makes error handling more intuitive, keeping your code linear and easy to follow. Error. Uniform error handling. The problem is that different APIs might require different error handling techniques, leading to inconsistencies. The solution? The =sign operator introduces a consistent way to handle errors across all APIs, ensuring uniform behavior. Improved security. Never miss an error again. Overlooking error handling can lead to unnoticed bugs and potential security risks. By automatically handling errors in a standardized way, the =sign operator reduces the chance of missing critical errors. Symbol, the secret sauce. Customizable error handling. Objects that implement the symbol.result method can use the =sign operator to define their own error handling logic. The symbol.result method should return a tuple error result. For example, let's consider this function. Recursive error handling. Handle nested errors like a pro. The =sign operator can recursively handle nested objects that implement symbol.result, ensuring even complex error scenarios are managed smoothly. Here's an example. Promises and async functions. Async error handling made easy. The =sign operator is designed to work seamlessly with promises and async await, making error handling in asynchronous code straightforward. For example, const error data. =sign await fetch, https apiexample.com. Using statement integration, streamline resource management. The =sign operator can be used with using statements to manage resources more effectively, making cleanup easier and less error-prone. For example, await using error resource =sign get resource. Why not data first, prioritizing error handling? Placing the error first in the error data. =sign structure ensures that errors are handled before processing data, reducing the risk of ignoring errors. For example, const error data =sign some function. Polyfilling the operator. Future-proof your code. While the question equals operator cannot be polyfilled directly, its behavior can be simulated using post-processors to maintain compatibility with older environments. For example, you might see something like this. Learning from other languages, inspired by the best. The pattern behind the question equals operator is inspired by similar constructs in languages like Go, Rust, and Swift, which have long embraced more structured error handling. Current limitations and areas for improvement. Still a work in progress. One thing to note is that the proposal needs a clear term for objects implementing symbol.result. Also, there's no new syntax for finally blocks, but you can still use them in the traditional way. The safe assignment operator, or question equals, is a game changer for JavaScript error handling, promising to reduce the need for clunky try-catch blocks and make your code cleaner and more secure. Although still in development, this proposal could soon become a standard tool in every JavaScript developer's toolkit.